Civil Judge 215, Elaine Palmer. Civil District 215.
Hello, I'm Elaine Palmer, and I want to be your next judge for Harris County Civil District Court 215. I grew up in 3rd Ward and have practiced law for 14 years. I've been preparing to be a judge since I was 9 years old. Civil judges hold the fate of everyday people in their hands. To me, there is no greater honor or responsibility. I'm Elaine Palmer, and I need your prayers and support.
Elect Elaine Palmer for Civil District Judge.
Elaine Palmer, Civil Judge 215, Elaine Palmer, Civil District 215.
Political ad paid for by Friends of Elaine H. Palmer Campaign, MM Hill Treasurer.